I'm with Mr. Sharad Kulkarni, Director, Sales Area Asia of Dormer Pramet. Mr. Sharad, the first and the foremost question what I would like to ask is, how does the say of certainty every turn gel with IMTEX exhibit area of Dormer Pramet?
Thank you very much. It's indeed a pleasure interacting with you. Well, if I just take a step back and look at the whole manufacturing ecosystem that is evolving in India, these are surely very exciting times for us. India is seeing a huge growth in different sectors in the manufacturing, and a story which is likely to continue in the future as well. In Dormer Pramet, we believe that our purpose, if you look at our purpose, it says that we care for the manufacturing community, which means that all the participants, all the customers who are involved in the manufacturing segment, we care for them. So in a way, we want to give them a products which will benefit them in terms of productivity, in terms of better costs, lower costs. In a way, I think improving the sustainability for them. So it's a theme that quite just very well with the IMTEX 2025, because this is exactly what the customers require. They require a supplier who can be reliable, with whom they can, in this very uncertain world. I mean, when I say uncertain world in different dimensions, technological, geopolitical, economic dimensions, they need a supply chain which is resilient, which is consistent, which is reliable, and that's where the message, certainty at every turn, I think is very important.
We are speaking about very specific to all the cutting tools. There's a huge amount of competition.
Yeah.
Whereby you go anywhere, you will find 4-5 different companies exhibiting their products. How far Dormer Pramet is actually positioning themselves in the market?
So yes, I think in fact, I think if I may say that more the competition, more the better. It's a sign of an evolving industry where I think many players, it looks very attractive, and so this is good news for us. Of course, as far as Dormer Pramet is concerned, we are positioned ourselves with the customers, medium-sized customers, supply chains, vendors of automotive companies or aerospace, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 companies. And of course, we are also participating with the big OEMs as well. But our focus is basically on the small scale, medium size enterprises, which I think are in need of a supplier who can meet their needs, who can help them grow, because they are, I think, of course, in the evolving stage, they are also in a growth phase, and they require a supplier like Dormer Pramet, and that's where I think our primary focus is. So it translates into focus in segments like automotive components, aerospace, die and mold, energy. So these are our basic focus areas. Customers from across the manufacturing chain, big OEMs, supply chains, small customers, I think everybody wants to see. I think this is perhaps the first time post the COVID, because we had an IMTEX last time also, but where there is a palpable excitement and there is a palpable confidence about the future of India, Indian economy and the manufacturing sector. So everybody wants to know what's new in the area of technology, what is the new innovative products, how can they benefit out of it. So I am seeing a cross section of customers visiting IMTEX, and I think it's kind of enthusiasm perhaps, I think is really very exciting to see.